The reptiles are congruent. They have the same shape and size. The length of this segment is 12. What is the area of one reptile? The artist behind this work is Escher, a master of tessellations. So, which shape was this reptile originally derived from? Let me show you clearly. This part is congruent to this part. This front leg is congruent to this part. This hind leg is congruent to this part. This tail is congruent to this part. This hind leg is congruent to this part. This front leg is congruent to this part. Therefore, the area of one reptile is the same as the area of one regular hexagon. The reptile is a transformed version of the regular hexagon. Now, let's find the area of one regular hexagon. Only one condition is given. This length is 12. A regular hexagon can be divided into 6 equilateral triangles. All these angles are 60 degrees, and all these sides are equal. Since all 4 sides are equal, this quadrilateral is a rhombus. Thus, the diagonals bisect each other perpendicularly. Since this length is 12, this length is 6, and this length is 3, this forms the right triangle. Find the sine 60 degrees. This is the length of this side. Using the area formula for the equilateral triangle, the area of one triangle is this. Multiply by 6. This is the area of one regular hexagon and the area of one reptile.